Next lesson is the median nerve to the APB. So this is a motor study. We've made the appropriate changes on our computer over here, and you'll see that the computer tells you how far to measure. Just keep that in mind when you can't remember. 7 centimeters. We're getting our tape ready. We've switched our electrodes from the bar to the disc electrodes. Okay. Black is G1, red is G2. We still have our ground electrode in place, and now we're going to set this up. We need to record over the APB, and then we place our G2 just distal. There's not a set distance you put the electrode away. It should be a good distance away. So we put G1 over the meat of the APB as such, and then G2 will go distal to that on the thumb. Get our handy tape measure. We're going to measure 7 centimeters from the disc electrode down in between the two tendons of the wrist where the median nerve should be. So 7 centimeters for the median motor study. We make a little dot there. Always apply gel to the stimulator. Cathode is toward G1. Uh-oh, head box. Alright, and then we start at a low voltage, or milliamps, and then we increase until we start to get a waveform on the computer, as you can see here. And there are normative values for this. And you just increase until you're not getting a big change in your latency or amplitude. And if you're not sure you're on the median nerve, it's okay to move either lateral or medial to get the best waveform before you really start cranking up the juice. And we're going to advance to the next study after we've maxed that out. Then you go proximal, find the brachial artery.
There's a little more medial. In between.
It should be essentially medial, elbow-ish area, and then you're going to stimulate there. I repeat, make sure you have changed over, switched to the next study. All right, and you'll get the same motor response. And then you measure where you stimulated once you've maxed out up there at the brachial artery, because you're going to measure between the 2 points. So you measure from the first stimulation point to the second stimulation point. And it's generally anywhere between 20 and 30 centimeters. And we put that value in the second column right here. And it generates our velocity.